Hey guys, it's being asked here. Going to do a Russian and American turn in Operation Stormy Weather, spring of 1921. Things are getting pretty crazy, but to be expected at this point. Russia still has one factory to roll tech with. They're going to roll for fighters and succeed, so they'll be at stage 2. For their purchases, Russia has 18 IPP to spend. They're going to spend 8 on 2 tank destroyers and 9 on 3 infantry, so 8 and 9 is 17. So they'll have $1 remaining. And I don't think they're really going to do anything for their turn. But yeah, I really don't think that they will. Him go 1, 2, hang out there. But yeah, like literally, I don't think I'm going to do anything at all. So just place these guys. So in Petrograd, I think they have 4 build slots left. So I'll go 2 tank destroyers, 2 more infantry, and sorry, but I lied. Move all these guys back to. There you go. Just accept your fate. You know, this is what life in Russia is going to be. Yeah. Okay. So then that's it for Russia. So collect their paltry 17 IPP, bring them back up to 18 for next turn. Then we got America. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 tech dice, which I think I only have 1, 2, 3, 4 tech that are not completed, so that works out. And I guess I can't roll this one for sure. Oh no, I have 5. Well, let's just do. I guess the first one I'm going to roll is going to be Land Doctrine. And failed, which means I can't roll for infantry. So this is number 2, number 3, and number 4 for tech. So bombers are done. Artillery advances, and 2 is miss. Okay. For American purchases, I've got 3 infantry, 2 advanced artillery. So that's 9 plus 8 is 17. 20, 23 plus 6 is 29. What the fuck? 29 plus 12, 31, 41, 51, 54, 57, plus another 6 is 63. I'm going to upgrade a militia to an infantry for $2. That's all 65 of my IPP. For combat moves, the 2 cavalry from Ottawa will go 1, 2 to the northeast. Oh, I didn't upgrade these guys to 2nd gen cav all that long time ago when they were teched up, so I did that now, so they'll attack there. That'll be one combat move. And then I think the only other combat moves will be these guys doing some raiding. And then it's going to be the old Tokyo fight. So these three guys will go from destroyers into Tokyo. These four units will come straight into Tokyo from the land. This transport's going to go 1, 2, 3, and do an amphibious assault with these two. And this attack transport's going to go 1, pick up that medium tank, come on back, drop him off. So I guess the guys in the top row are coming off of a attack transport, so these three Marines are coming off of these three destroyers. And with long-range aircraft in this airfield, this fighter can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to Tokyo, and then either land back on the aircraft carrier in Honshu for 6. So he's coming. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. And then the 2 medium bombers in Honshu are coming. And I'm actually going to bring the strategic bomber to bomb the factory, but I'll do that after the fact if it hasn't fallen, is kind of the idea. So let's bring that down to the battle board. Okay, so these guys are normally out of 2, but it's mountainous terrain, so I always have to read about attack transports, how they work. Well, I guess that attack transport will take 1 Marine with them, the one who picked up the tank. So medium armors. So be a +1s or downgraded to a 2. Okay, use tactical bomber. Oh, that was dumb. Okay, he's coming in the second wave. He's not part of this fight. Okay, so then, coming amphibiously, I had 1, 2, then the 3 Marines here, 3, 4, 5. He was 6, so I've got 6 ships bombarding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These guys are at 5s, and these heavy cruisers are at 2s. Okay, and that means your infantry are surrounded. And I'm pretty sure that fighters aren't impacted by the surrounded rules. I don't know. Okay, let's do first strikes. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2. Okay, so green is at 5, and blue is at 2. Nice start. 3 hits, 3 first strikes. I'm going to assume it'll be 3 militia. I don't know why I'm flipping them. Those are first strikes. They're just dead. Okay, so you guys are done. Just put you up there. Next, I think we'll do the aircraft. So I've got oopsies. Okay, so kind of do the peach. Lighter shade will be the mediums, and the brighter shade will be the tacks with target select. Okay, so we've got 1, so 4 total. One of them has to be your fighter. And your fighter misses. Okay, so that was that guy hitting your fighter. So now I've got 1 target select, which will be an infantry. And then I've got 1, 2 more hits, which will be 1, 2. Okay. I don't think I'm gonna break the trench line here, which is okay. So there's my 5er. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okay, so I've got 6 at 1, 3 at 2, and the green is at 5. Not looking great. So 1, 2. Another 1, 2. Boom, boom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 infantry remain. But you get 1. It's 10 total. Oops. Okay. So purple at 1, green at 5. 1, 2, 3. 3 hits for you. One, two, 3. What will I lose? I'll lose those 3. Okay. Just gonna do this in chunks here. So these guys will be back here. Yeah, with him. And these guys are going to be down here. Okay, and is that it? Okay. So then for the Air Force stuff, I'll put one medium bomber with the heavy fighter, a jet, and attack. And so then back into Honshu. Don't be that way. Will be these three. And in non-combat, this guy to Kyushu. Yeah, then the ships come back here. Okay, so then I gotta do the strategic bomber at the Japanese factory. I don't really know how those work, and I need to do the cavalry over in the US of A in these two raids. So okay. Field bombing, carpet bombing. So I don't know how many you get to roll for your inherent. One for sure, but I get a 2d6. Okay, so this is my 2d6. 9. Okay. Let's delete that. Okay. I don't like how that worked either. Oh, for fuck's sake. Okay, I'll just do that, I suppose. Okay, and then you get your inherent AA. For sure 1 at 3. Or 1 at 1, sorry. I don't know if it's more than that then. Oop, shit, forgot your infantry. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can go 6, 7. Landon. Honshu as well. No, I'm gonna land him in. Or Honshu rather than Kyushu, sorry. I'm not sure if these guys are allowed to go in port after doing bombardment. If they are, they'd be in port here. But I'm not sure if they're allowed to or not. Okay, then the raids. I'll be green, and Japan will be yellow. We'll start with the regular sub. I think that's 3. Let's just see what the second one is. Yeah, it would matter. I think I'm gonna get you for $3. Oh, you do have anti-sub warfare. to read about that now. God, so annoying. So you get, so I've done $3 of damage, and I think you get 2 Q-ship rolls. So this is for the first one, the first regular sub, and for the second sub. So no, and 3 damage to Japanese monies. So not that bad. Okay. Okay, and then fight over here in the northeast. I've got 2 cav. Looks like a river crossing, so they'll be at 2. And you've got 1 infantry defending at a 4. Alrighty. Now it's 3 versus 4. And round 3. So, fail. Nothing happens. Well, I mean, I lost a unit, but nothing else happens. Just the non-com. Oh, sorry, this guy's going to go bomb one of my factories, previous factories. So he'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 5. And then I'll go 6 and land in the Great Lakes. So bombing Washington. Washington factory. 10 damage. Anti-aircraft. Okay, and sure, we'll use that guy. Okay, and then I believe with the advanced improved logistics, I'll have an additional rail, so I can rail all 4 of these guys, which I will do. I will rail all 4 of them. To New Orleans. He's going to go 1-2 to Texas, although he won't be the crappy kind of cav anymore. He'll be that kind of cav. Just going to move this card a little bit further up here. Okay. Yeah, I think that's it. So we'll be just placing guys now. So these 8 are going to go into the Great Lakes. I'll actually put them all there because it's a major factory, so I can do 10 with improved. So put them all there. And then build these guys in. There. You know what? I don't know if this is how cheap this is or not, but I think I might make a change to my builds. I hope that could be tolerated. I had an upgrade. Where did I put it now? An upgrade, a militia upgrade. I'm going to not do that. I'm going to instead build an airfield. In Honshu. And save $1. Okay, and I'll roll a d6 for wartime income. 3. So 3 plus 51, still 51. So 54. Not bad. Okay, that's it for America. Thanks for your patience, guys.